Hi, my name is Charles Hatley, Melone Hatley PC, where we help good people going through divorce protect their families, their finances, and their futures. Today, I want to talk about emergency custody and visitation orders. Very frequently, we get phone calls of people saying, look, this really bad thing is happening to my child, and I need help right now. I need an emergency motion. Emergency motions are frequently misunderstood as to what they can actually help you with. If the child is in extreme physical danger, the court will frequently step in on the emergency motion docket and enter an order of custody, not visitation, just custody. And what they will say is the parent that's putting the child in danger can no longer have any access with that child. The other parent will get sole physical, sole legal custody. The court will then set a custody visitation hearing, a trial. There will be a full decision on everything that's going on in the case. Emergency motions are not easy. We've seen cases where we as attorneys believe there's no way the emergency motion would be denied, and it is. Because the emergency motion process is, we file the emergency motion, then it goes to a judge who decides whether or not they believe an emergency exists based off what we have written. We've had cases with children or child experiencing extreme alleged sexual abuse, and the court did not see an emergency in that situation. We've had cases where the children are going through extreme poverty, hunger, living out on the streets, and the court did not see that as an emergency situation. They did set an expedited hearing, but they did not see that as an emergency situation. We've had other cases where one parent was driving drunk with the children in the car. The court did see that as an emergency. Or most recently, where one parent grabbed an infant and broke through a plate glass window holding the infant in their arm. The court did see that as an emergency. So what the court's really looking at is the child in some sort of extreme danger right now that can be shown and proven. The reason it's such a high bar to get over is because the court's literally going to deny one parent all access to that child while everything is going on. And it is a pretty big deal. Emergency motions are very complicated, and they often flow with a protective order regarding the child. Even more difficult, if you are not the child's natural parent and you know something is going wrong with the child, it is even more complicated to get the emergency motion. If you or someone you know believes that a child is in extreme danger, please give us a call. What we will do is sit down with you and discuss what is going on. We will discuss whether or not we think that we can show the court that extreme danger in order to get the emergency motion, or if we need to go to the court and request an expedited hearing, or if we need to go to the court and request a protective order. We will go through all those options with you in a free 30-minute consultation with the main goal to be able to help you help the child that you know is in danger.